Hello, my name is Saransh Dwivedi. Basically, I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. But I have done my engineering from Rajiv Gandhi Technical University, Bhopal. And I am from electronics and communication background, and which is a non-technical background. And recently, I just got placed in the Test Yantra Software Solution Private Limited as an associate software engineer. And getting into the IT from the non-technical background was like a very difficult for me, but thanks to QSpiders Wakad, I just got placed in that company. And I am software testing background actually, and learning from the QSpiders Wakad, like I have just given very what should I say, mock interviews which helped me a lot, and assignments, and a lot of assignments I have done, and I have also just given the assignment and presentations also, which helped me a lot. So thanks to QSpiders Wakad, and yeah, that's it.